What's up guys, boy Matrix RC back here with another video, and today I got my Kraton 8S out and I got put the green body back on. I'm going to do this little quick speed run after I did my upgrades with the XLX 2 with the 800 kV motor, and we dropped the spur gear to a 39.2 pinion, and we're going to see what we can do. I'm running a 39.2 spur, and I'm running a 42 pinion on here. So let's see what this does on the grass. All right, I'm out here at a big old field, soccer player. Just gonna run it and see what it do. Okay, and I'm running SMC lipos, both 4S lipos in series. So they're 6400 milliamp from SMC. So let's get it. Got the GPS in there, track, control satellites, start. Okay, let's do it. Ooh, slow down. Whoa. Here it is. Come on back. All right, I like that. That's fast. Definitely faster than before. So, man, let's see what we got right here. Let's see. Man, that's moving. That is moving. We're gonna hit stop. Read. Yo, 54 miles per hour on grass. That's crazy. Wow, that is nice. Last time I couldn't even hit. I think I only went up like 5 miles per hour from 49 to 54. So that's not bad. Let me try it again. Get this thing warmed up a little bit. Let's see. So that's pretty good. We'll go back. Hit start. All right. Let's see. How far can we go down there? Okay. All right. So we're over there. All right, got it turned up. I'm gonna try to run it straight through here. Hopefully we don't hit the soccer people. Here we go. A little hot right now. This thing got some range. That radio link. I got it hooked up to the RC6GS. Woo! Oh, water hazard. Man, this thing is definitely fast. All right. Them copperhead tubes. All right. Let's see what we hit. Ran through the water, went so fast, dried the tires off. So let's see. Let's stop. Read. 58. We went up 58 miles per hour. Wow, that is crazy. 58 miles per hour on grass. Hey, we getting there, guys. We getting there. So the goal is, man, we trying to hit 65 to 70 miles per hour on the grass with the Kraton 8S. Now I know I got to be probably doing like 800 on the ground, or I'm sorry, 100 miles per hour on the road to at least see at least somewhat that range. But I'm not there yet. But I do got some tires coming in from Gone Bananas. Rick Sifrod is working on them right now, and then as soon as I get them in, we're gonna do an on-road test. So that's nice. 58 on the ground. Damn, I take it. I take that. That's definitely improvement. Awesome. Kraton 8S. this joint was stupid. All right, that's it. Let's see what we got. Stop. Read. 59. We went up one more. 59. We could do 60. It's just that right here is so bumpy. It can't stay straight, so I just need a straighter feel. We definitely got 60 miles per hour on the grass, yo, with this thing. Yo, we almost there. 70 miles per hour. Go up some more teeth with the pinion, and we did. Man, that's sick. I like it. All right, guys, check it. Peace. That is sweet. Man. Let's go.